Example 1. A line intersecting the circle x square plus y square equals 45 at the points P and Q has an equation y equals x plus 3. Determine the coordinates of point P and Q. Determine the length of the chord PQ. Solution. To determine the coordinates of the point P and Q, we solve the system of equations using substitution method. Expanding the brackets, we get x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 45. Collecting the like terms. Dividing the equation by 2, we get. Factorizing the equation, we get x plus 6, x minus 3 equals 0. Substituting these values in equation 2, we can determine the value of the y coordinates. Therefore, the coordinates of P and Q are -6, -3, and 3, 6 respectively. Since we know the coordinates of point P and Q, we can determine the length of chord PQ using the distance formula. PQ equals root of -6 minus 3 the whole square plus -3 minus 6 the whole square. Therefore, PQ equals 9 root 2 units.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.